Welcome to my channel, alright? Listen up, fam. Intimacy is one of those things everybody wants, everybody thinks about, everybody talks about, but almost nobody truly understands. And the crazy part, most people jump into intimacy without having the first clue about how to build it safely, healthily, and without burning themselves or their partner in the process. So today, we're breaking down the real truth. No weird taboos, no awkward silence, no judgment. Just straight up psychology, real talk, and practical tips you can actually use. A beginner's guide to safe and healthy intimacy, psychology based. If you've ever wondered things like, how do I build real connection? What's safe intimacy versus unsafe intimacy? How do I keep a relationship healthy? Or even, why do I catch feelings too fast? Then yeah, this video is 100% for you. Before we jump in, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and drop a comment saying I'm ready to grow, because trust me, this one is gonna change how you see intimacy forever. Alright y'all, let's get into it. Section 1. What is intimacy really? Not what you think. Most people think intimacy equals sex. That's the biggest misconception. But according to psychology, intimacy actually has 4 main types, and physical intimacy is only one of them. 1. Emotional intimacy. This is when you feel comfortable being open, vulnerable, honest, and real. Examples: sharing your fears, opening up about your dreams, talking about your insecurities, having deep, latent conversations. Psychology insight. Emotional intimacy comes from trust and emotional safety, not attraction. 2. Physical intimacy. This is a NY type of touch, not just sexual. Examples: holding hands, cuddling, hugging, sitting close, resting your head on someone. Fun fact: gentle touch releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone proven to reduce stress and increase feelings of closeness. 3. Intellectual intimacy. This is when you connect through thoughts, ideas, and conversations. Examples: talking about life, discussing opinions, feeling safe to disagree for. Experiential intimacy, built through shared experiences and doing things together. Examples: cooking, traveling, working on goals, building routines together. A lot of people jump into physical intimacy before emotional, intellectual, or experiential intimacy. And that's when things get messy. Real intimacy starts way before touching ever happens. Section 2. Safe intimacy versus unsafe intimacy. Healthy intimacy should feel safe, comfortable, respectful, mutual, consensual. Balanced, unsafe intimacy feels rushed, forced, one-sided, anxiety-driven, manipulative, emotionally draining. If you feel pressured, it's not healthy intimacy. If you feel unsafe, it's not intimacy, it's coercion. Section 3. The psychology of healthy intimacy. Healthy intimacy requires 3 psychological foundations. 1. Emotional safety. This means no judgment, no shaming, no mocking your feelings, no dismissing your emotions. No fear of being too much. Examples of emotional safety. I appreciate your honesty. You can tell me anything. Your feelings matter. 2. Consent and comfort levels. Consent is not just yes or no. It is checking in, asking, respecting boundaries, slowing down if needed. Understanding body language. Healthy couples say things like, "Does this feel okay for you?" We can pause anytime. Tell me what you're comfortable with. 3. Boundaries. Boundaries protect both people. Healthy boundaries include personal space, communication rules, time boundaries, pace of the relationship, privacy. BAD boundaries equals control, pressure, manipulation. Good boundaries equals clarity, safety, trust.
Section 4. Building healthy intimacy step by step. This part teaches beginners how to build intimacy the healthy way. Step 1. Start with emotional connection examples. Have real conversations. Talk about your childhood. Discuss fears. Share past experiences. Talk about goals and dreams. Emotional intimacy builds the foundation. Without a strong emotional base, touch becomes empty and temporary. Step 2. Build trust slowly. Trust builds through consistency, not intensity. Healthy trust looks like showing up, keeping promises, being honest, communicating clearly, respecting time and space. Step 3. Communicate wants and boundaries. I'm comfortable with this, but not that. I need to take things slowly. I'm not ready for physical intimacy yet. I prefer cuddling over sexual touch for now. Real partners respect boundaries. The wrong ones pressure you. Period. Step 4. Introduce physical intimacy the healthy way. Examples of healthy physical closeness: slow cuddling, hand holding, gentle hugs, sitting close, playing with hair, light touches. If anything feels uncomfortable, slow down. Step 5. Build rituals of intimacy. Examples: good morning, good night messages, weekly date nights, nighttime cuddle sessions, cooking together, reading together, taking walks. Rituals create emotional closeness without pressure. Section 5. Signs of healthy versus unhealthy intimacy. Healthy intimacy signs: respect, mutual effort, emotional closeness, safety, open communication, no pressure, shared boundaries. Unhealthy intimacy signs: rushing things, feeling unsafe, constant guilt, fear of losing them, love bombing, jealousy or control. Manipulation. Section 6. Real life examples. Example 1. Safe intimacy. Jake and Mia start dating. Instead of rushing, they take time to talk every night, build trust, share feelings, hold hands only when comfortable. Communicate boundaries. This creates a healthy emotional foundation. Example 2. Unsafe intimacy. Alex and Sarah rush things. On the second date, Alex pushes for physical closeness. Sarah feels nervous, but agrees to avoid conflict. Later, she feels anxious and disconnected. This is unhealthy intimacy, based on pressure, not connection. Section 7. The role of attachment styles. Attachment styles determine how we approach closeness. Secure, comfortable with closeness. Anxious, wants closeness too quickly. Anxious, wants closeness too quickly. Avoidant, fears intimacy or shuts down. Understanding your attachment style helps you build healthier relationships. Section 8. Safety in physical intimacy. This section covers consent, boundaries, mutual comfort, safety during emotional vulnerability, protecting mental health, respecting your pace. Knowing red flags. Section 9. How to maintain healthy intimacy. Long-term tips. Communicate often. Check in emotionally. Keep romance alive. Keep learning each other. Respect each other's individuality. Don't rely solely on physical intimacy. Avoid emotional neglect. Section 10. The emotional side of intimacy. All right, fam. Let's dive even deeper, because intimacy ain't just physical. It's mental, emotional, and psychological, and trust me, if the emotional part ain't right, the physical part won't fix it. Emotional intimacy equals the foundation boyfriend and girlfriend. This is the kind of closeness where you can say, hey, I'm scared. I'm stressed out. I've been feeling insecure lately. I need reassurance. I've been feeling insecure lately. I need reassurance. And your partner doesn't judge you, doesn't clown you, doesn't say you're being dramatic. Instead, they listen, validate, and show up. That's the kind of intimacy that actually lasts. Example, let's take Mia and Jackson. Mia grew up in a house where nobody talked about feelings. Jackson was raised by parents who encouraged emotional expression. So guess what happens in their relationship? Mia shuts down during arguments. Jackson craves connection. If they don't build emotional intimacy, they'll misinterpret each other forever. But when they sit down, slow the conversation, and actually talk about why they react the way they do, boom, intimacy skyrockets. Emotional. Intimacy is the glue that keeps the whole relationship from falling apart. Section 11. Respecting. Boundaries like a pro. Listen, boundaries aren't walls. Boundaries aren't rejection. Boundaries aren't you don't love me. Boundaries are love, safety, and respect in action. Types of boundaries. Physical boundaries. Emotional boundaries. Digital boundaries. Sexual boundaries. Time boundaries. Energy boundaries. Real example. If your partner says, I'm not comfortable with sudden touch, give me a heads up. That's not them being rude. That's them telling you how to love them correctly. Respecting boundaries equals instantly increasing trust. Violating boundaries equals instantly killing. Intimacy. Section 12. How trust impacts healthy intimacy. Let me drop some psychology real quick. According to attachment theory, people fall into 4 categories. 1. Secure. 2. Anxious. 3. Avoidant. 4. Disorganized. These styles affect how they connect, how fast they open up, how safe they feel, how they respond to closeness. Example, a secure partner might say, tell me what you need. I'm here. An avoidant partner might feel suffocated if emotions get too deep. An anxious partner might fear losing the other person and cling to hard. Understanding attachment styles prevents so many fights, misunderstandings, and emotional shutdowns. Section 13. Healthy communication for intimacy. Healthy intimacy requires real talk, not guessing games. Use these 3 communication strategies. 1. I statements. Instead of, you never listen. Instead of, you never listen. Try, I feel unheard when I talk and the TV is on. 2. Curiosity instead of assumptions. Instead of assuming your partner is mad, ask, hey, I noticed you're quiet. Your partner is mad. Ask, hey, I noticed you're quiet. Is everything okay? 3. Pausing before reacting. Most fights escalate because nobody pauses to think. Take a beat, breathe, then respond. SECTION 14. Consent isn't a what I'm thing. Section 14. Consent isn't a what I'm thing. Consent is continuous, enthusiastic, and revocable. The rule, if it's not a clear yes, it's a no. And yes, even in long-term relationships, even in marriage, consent matters every single time. Healthy consent sounds like, are you comfortable? Do you want to keep going? If you're not feeling it, that's totally okay. Example scenario, your partner seems stressed, tired, or off. You check in. They say they're not in the mood. You respect it. No guilt, no pressure, No manipulation. That is safe intimacy. That is mature love.
Section 15. Understanding pace and timing. Not everyone moves at the same pace with physical or emotional closeness. Some people want to take things slow. Some people open up quickly. Some people have trauma and need extra care. Some people need trust first. A healthy relationship adapts to both partners. Pace. Section 16. Trauma, triggers and healing in intimacy. This part is huge. Many people carry trauma that affects physical closeness, emotional closeness, comfort with touch, communication, trust. If your partner has trauma, be patient. Don't force. Don't rush. Don't judge. Don't personalize their reactions. Example: your partner pulls away during a moment of closeness. Instead of thinking, "What did I do wrong?" you say, "It's okay. You're safe with me. Take your time." That level of compassion equals next level intimacy. Section 17. Building long-term. Healthy intimacy. Healthy intimacy isn't built overnight. It's built through consistent communication, emotional safety, respect, shared moments, physical comfort, honesty. Daily intimacy builders hold hands, talk about your day, give compliments, share fears and goals, laugh together, ask intentional questions, spend quality time. Section 80. Red flags in intimacy. Pay attention to these signs. Pressure to be intimate, ignoring boundaries, guilt-tripping, manipulation, silent treatment, jealousy, control, lack of respect, only wanting physical closeness. If these appear, that's a problem. Intimacy should feel safe, supported, and reciprocal. Section 19. The real goal. Safe, healthy, mature love. True intimacy is being seen, known, accepted, and valued. It's comfort, it's connection, it's vulnerability, it's mutual effort, it's partnership. This is the foundation of a relationship that actually lasts. 3 questions for the audience. Question number 1. What part of intimacy is the hardest for you? Emotional, physical, intellectual, or communication? Question number 2. Do you believe intimacy should move slow or fast? Why? Question number 3. What's one boundary you think every couple should have? If this video opened your eyes even a little bit, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying your biggest takeaway. Remember, intimacy isn't just about touch. It's about trust, communication, and emotional safety. Build slowly. Build safely. Build with love. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay emotionally safe, fam. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.